This stuff smells good and works good, not just on wheels. I know. Oh. It's here. Nothing like 13 days shipping, am I right? God. What the? I owe you paint markers. Sorry. Sick and tired of this happening to you too? Let me introduce you to the experts at Tire Supply Network. Yellow, hold. Wait, no, just a quick question. I just need to make an order. Thank you for calling Tire Supply Network. This is Chris. How can I help you? Yeah, we'll get these shipped out today. With thousands of products in stock and free shipping on all orders over $50, Tire Supply Network is your tire supply superstore. We are family owned and operated, and our motto is no corporate bullshit here. So if you're tired of dealing with salesmen that seem to have time for everything but you, like Sleazeball Steve, Gambling Gabe, Dummy Dan, and Aloha Alan, then head on over to Tire Supply Network to experience firsthand expert help and accurate service.